All right, STAR 1800 2024 Algebra 1 with logs by Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. 150 questions. Big College Algebra Final Exam Review 040424 Video 16. Anyway, let's do this. Solve by factoring x squared plus 6x equals 72. So, wait, before we do this. If you need money for college right now, my marge is open 24 hours. Great boss, great food, great work. But you don't need money right now. Let's say you don't need it. Okay, get out of here. Alright. Solve by factoring. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 72 from both sides. Minus 72, minus 72. So now I have an x squared plus 6x minus 72 equals 0. Now, possible numbers are these right here. It might work. So 12 and 6, I'm going to pick this one. So x minus 6, x plus 12 is what I'm going to use. And just check it over here. See right here? X minus 6, x plus 12. So x times x squared. That's 12x. That's minus 6x. That's minus 72. X squared plus 6x minus 72. Does it match? Yes, it matches. So this is good. Now, x minus 6 equals 0. Add 6, add 6. So x equals 6. Or minus 12, so x equals negative 12. So x equals 6 or x equals negative 12. Also, remember, sharks say they just want to join me for lunch. It's okay, right? All right. Another way to solve this problem. Number 1, part 2. Solve by the quadratic formula. Here's the problem again. Subtract minus 72 minus 72. So x squared plus 6x minus 72 equals 0. A is 1, B is 6, C is negative 72. So now here's the formula, quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And put the numbers in there. B is 6, goes right there, goes right there. And then this is going to be 6 squared means what? 6 times 6, which is 36. And these three numbers together is going to give you 288. Plus negative to negative is positive. So this is 324. Square root of 324 is 18. And how do you do that? Well, you can use you can do a calculator. Let me show you how to do that. Calculator. So you say second square root right here. What was the number? 324. 324 is 18. Okay. So use a calculator if you want. I would. All right. Now, so that's 18. Negative 6 over 2. 18 over 2, divide those out, you get negative 3 plus or minus 9. So negative 3 plus 9 is 6. Negative 3 and the negative 9 is a negative 12. So 6 and negative 12 is the answer. Okay, another way to do this problem. Solve by completing the square. A bit harder, but we can do it. First of all, just leave it like it is. We're going to add magic number. Add to both sides 1/2 of 6 squared, 1/2 of 6 squared. That's going to give you this number here. It's going to be 3. And there's 3 squared over here too. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 72 plus 9. It's 81. Now this one I'm going to factor it into x plus 3 because 3 times 3 is 9 and 3x is 6x. So x plus 3 is x plus 3 squared equals 81. Take the square root of both sides. Now you have x plus 3 equals plus or minus 9. X plus 3 is 9, or x plus 3 equals negative 9. So plus 3 minus 3. So this is gone. So we have x equals 6. Over here, negative 9 and negative 3 is negative 12. So 6 and negative 12 is the answer for this. So this is all by completing the square. Find the distance between those 2 points. Formula for the distance formula, there it is. So now I'm going to put those numbers in. The x1, y, well, here's the x1, here's the x2, put them in there. y1, y2, put them in there. So now we have negative 4, negative 5 is negative 9. Negative 9 to negative 9 is 81. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 to negative 2 is 4. So this is squared 85. Leave it alone. That's okay. Don't do anything else. So, example, the distance between you and the shark in the Texas Sea. Find the midpoint between 2 and negative 3 and 10 and 3. The midpoint. The middle point right there between those 2 points. Formula for midpoint, there it is. So now, x1, x2 is, put them in there, 2 and 10. y1 and y2 is negative 3 and 3. So that's going to be 12 over 2. It's going to be 0 over 2. And that's going to be 6. And it's going to be 0. 6, 0 is the midpoint between those 2 points right there. Now, example. The midpoint between you and the shark in the Texas Sea at 2:34 a.m. on Saturday. Example. Solve this. Well, I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. You have plus or minus 6 equals x plus 9. Rewrite it. So now we have x plus 9 equals plus or minus 6. X plus 9 is 6, or x plus 9 is negative 6. Minus 9 minus 9, that's going to give you x equals negative 3. Or at minus 9, x equals negative 15. So now, maybe they work. Let's check it. Put it back in the original problem. Put a negative 3 there for the x, the original problem. Negative 3 and 9 is 6. 6 squared is 6 times 6 is 36. Yes, that's good. Over here, negative 15 plus 9. Does that work? Let's see, that's going to be a negative 6. And negative 6 and negative 6 is a positive 36. Yep, that works too. So they both work. Graph. X squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 6y minus 6 equals 0. I'm going to rewrite it first. Let's get the 6 on this side. Add 6, add 6. So now we have it over here. Now we're going to put the y's together. See the x squared, y squared. Put those x and x, y's and y's. The number's still over here. Add the magic number. 1/2 of this number squared and 1/2 of this number squared to this side and to this side. So now what's going to happen when you complete the square? This is going to be negative 1. Negative 1 to negative 1 is 1. X squared minus 2x plus 1. And this is going to be y squared minus 6y plus 9 equals 6 plus 1 plus 9. Add this together, 16. But now this becomes x minus 1, x minus 1, y minus 3, y minus 3. And this is x minus 1 squared and y minus 3 squared. And the center is going to be the opposite of these numbers. It's going to be a positive 1, positive 3. Radius is square root of this number here. Square root of 16 is 4. Alright, we got that part anyway. Now, find the x-intercept. Let y equal 0. So 0 right there. 0 minus 3. It's going to be negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 3 is 9. Minus 9 minus 9. That's gone. So you have 7. Now take the square root of both sides. This is x minus 1 equals plus or minus square root of 7. And we have minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we have x equals 1 plus or minus square root of 7. So x equals 1 plus square root of 7. Or x equals 1 minus square root of 7. So 1 plus square root of 7 comma 0. Or 1 minus square root of 7 comma 0. Those are the x-intercepts. What? Yeah, gotta find the y-intercepts too. How do you do that? Let x equals 0. Put a 0 right here. So now 0 minus 1, negative 1. Negative 1 to negative 1 is 1. This right here. Minus 1 minus 1. So y minus 3 squared equals 15. Square root again. So this is y minus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 15. So add 3, add 3. So y equals 3 plus or minus square root of 15. Or so y equals 3 plus square root of 15. Y equals 3 minus square root of 15. So 0, comma 3 plus square root of 15. 0, comma 3 minus square root of 15 are the answers to that. So now we have x-intercept, y-intercepts, center. Now we can start graphing this thing. So we know the center is 1, 3. 1, 3. Radius is 4. These are 4. All these are going to be 4s. And we have the x-intercept, which is this one right here, is 1 minus square root of 7 and 0. And this is going to be 1 plus square root of 7 and 0. And the y-intercepts are going to be right here. 3 plus square root of 15. 0 and 3 plus square root of 15. And 0 and 3 minus square root of 15. Right here. Okay. Think about, like, I don't know. Sharks say let's swim together in the sea. Okay, think like little sharks swimming around me or something. Okay. All right. Let's solve this inequality. So I'm gonna subtract 8 from both sides. So negative 2x greater than or equal, not just greater than negative 6. Don't divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. But we divide by a negative, you got to turn the inequality sign around, okay? Or divide by negative, turn the alligator around. So this is gone. So x is less than 3, okay? Or 3 going this way, don't include it. Or 3 going this way, don't include it. Negative infinity to 3, don't include it. Okay, think how many minutes you have before the shark is next to you. Yeah, less than 3 minutes, huh? Here it is. A relation. But is this a function? Yes or no? All right. We know that 3 goes to 2. That's all. It doesn't go anywhere else. Negative 5 goes to 2. 8 goes to 7. 3 goes to 18. That's it. That's all they go. So this is not a function because look, 3 goes to 2. But 3 goes to 18 also. 3 goes to 2. 3 goes to 18. Nope. That's not a function. Domain, all the first numbers. Range, all the second numbers. First numbers, second numbers. This one. Is this a function? Yes or no? Relation. Well, let's see. Negative 3 goes to 6. Negative 2 goes to 2. Negative 1 goes to 0. And 0 goes to 2. That's it. This doesn't go 2 places, does it? Nope. Nope. Okay. Yes, this is a function. Domain. All the first numbers you see. Range. All the second numbers you see. Okay. Oh, lots of part 1. It's f of x. Find f of 0. Put a 0 there for the x's. So 0 squared means 0 times 0. 9 times that is 0. 3 times 0 is 0 times that, 0. And minus 3. 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 3, negative 3. So f of 0, negative 3, or 0, comma, negative 3. Find f of 4. Okay. Put a 4 in there. 4 squared means 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is that, 48. And 3 times 4 is 12. This and this and this is 60. Take away 3 is 57. So at 4, you get what? 57. Find f of negative 4. Put negative 4, put a negative 4 in there for the x. So negative 4 to negative 4 is 16. Times that, 48. This would be a negative 12. 48 minus 12 is 36 minus 3. 33. So for negative 4, you get what? 33. Find f of negative x. Put a negative x for the x right here. So this is going to be negative x to negative x is a positive x squared. That times that's 3x squared. This times this is a negative 3x. So that's it. 3x squared minus 3x minus 3. That's all we can do. So if you put a negative x in there, you're going to get 3x squared minus 3x minus 3. What happens when you put negative of f of x? Put negative of f of x means negative of this. So negative of positive negative. Negative to positive negative. And negative of a negative is a positive. That's it. That's the answer right there. F of x plus 3. Put an x plus 3 in there for the x's. X plus 3 means x plus 3 times x plus 3. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. 3 times that is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. X squared plus 6x plus 9. So 3 times that is 3x squared. 3 times 6 is 18x. 3 times 9 is 27. This side, 3 times that is 3x. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 3. So let's see. 3x squared. That's it. 18x and 3x, 21x. 27 and 9 and 3 is 33. So x plus 3, put it in there. You get 3x squared plus 21x. That's 33. This one, f of 3x. Put a 3x in there, 3x in there, 3x in there. Squared means 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3 times that is 27x squared. 3 times 3x is 9x minus 3. When you put 3x in there, what happens? You get 27x squared plus 9x minus 3. Harder. X plus h. It's okay. Put x plus h where the x's are. Right there, right there. So now what's going to happen? X plus h times x plus h. X times x, right there, is x squared. X times h is xh. H times x is xh again. H times h is h squared. So you have x squared plus 1xh plus 1xh. 1xh and 1xh is 2xh. So we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Multiply this out. 3 times that, 3x squared. 3 times that is 6xh. 3 times that is 3h squared. Over here on the other side, 3 times x plus h is 3 times x is 3x. 3 times h is h. And the negative 3, bring it down. So we have 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 3x plus 3h minus 3. That's it. We can't do anything else with this. Find the domain. Okay. Domain formula. If you have f of x the square root of ax plus b, the way you do is you set ax plus b, whatever's inside here, greater than or equal to 0. So 6x minus 18 greater than or equal to 0. So add 18 to both sides. So 6x is greater than or equal to 18. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. So this is going to be x is greater than or equal to what? 3. Or including the 3 this way. Or including the 3 going this way. Or including the 3 to infinity that way. Okay, use this formula right here to find the domain of that square root of 6x minus 18 function. Okay, so now what? That's it for now. That's 1 through 10. So now when you finish doing this review, you probably should go relax and take it easy because you're a little bit smarter now in college algebra, right? Yes. Go surfing. Go to Mustang Island, Padre Island, somewhere out there. Have fun in your surfboard. Or got lots of cash extra. Take your board out to Hawaii. Big old giant waves. It might break your board. That's okay. Take the decals off. Put it on there. You have a smart burn here. Put all your Hawaiian stuff on. Have fun out there. Or what? Math monsters? No way, man. Is it math is this or this? No, it's this. We know how to do math. Math is fun. Holy cow, this is really scary. Math monsters scary, but these are scary still. How about this? Holy cow, they're pretty scary too. 7 more of them, huh? Holy cow. Let's see, 7. There we are, 7. What's more scary than those? Oh my gosh, a giant crunchy, huh? Crunchy one? Now it's pretty scary. What's more scary than one crunchy one? How about crunchy 2, crunchy 3? Yeah. Anyway, good luck on your College Algebra 150 review. This is Professor Alfredo Garvez saying good luck. Again, Professor Alfredo Garvez saying good luck, good luck. And last time, good luck on your College Algebra 150 review. Professor Alfredo Garvez saying, Junior saying good luck, bye.